guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in another challenge, and this is the Foodie DIY challenge, which is hosted by Nadia from Nadia DIYs and co-hosted by Elena Jenkins from Elena Jenkins DIYs. I will leave, as usual, the link to their channels in the description box, and also the link to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. Please pay a visit to the channels of the hostesses and watch the videos in the playlist. The theme of this month foodie challenge is donuts. So, I already started doing what I'm planning on doing. I had this box, it's the lid, or no, it's not the lid, it's the other part of the box, of an iPad that I bought a few months ago, and I kept it, and I thought someday I will find a use for it. Okay, I started by adding this ribbon, this buffalo check or something like that. I added it using these rollers, double-sided tape rollers, and I left this side for you to see that it's really easy. Okay, I'm going to adhere this part. As you can see, you can even, if you applied it not exactly as you wanted, you can remove it and adhere it again. And I'm going to finish this part with a little bit of hot glue. I need another stick. If you watch my previous videos, you know that I got burned with this glue gun. I want a new one. I was going to buy one, but next month is my birthday, so I asked for one for my birthday. I still have the marks of the places where I got burned, a little bit here, and my lips, I also got burned on my lips, and it's a long story. Watch that video and you will understand what I'm talking about. And I had a huge scar there, but now it's almost gone. Well, now that I have this, I cut a piece of buffalo check paper from Hobby Lobby to cover the bottom of the box. I'm not going to glue it, just place it there. It's a little bit big. I should cut a bit of it. Okay, give me just a minute. I have my scissors here, so I'm going to cut a little bit for it to fit in there better. Not too much. And anyway, it's going to be covered, so it doesn't matter if I cut more than I need. Okay, let's see. Oh, much better. Okay, now I'm going to add this sign. I hope you already know, because I say this in almost all my videos. My daughter and I are dumpster divers, we are dumpster chicks, and the link to our channel is going to be in the description box also. Please visit us. It's a lot of fun seeing us diving and telling you and showing you our treasures. A long time ago we found at Michael's these signs, two of these signs that are broken, and I've been using this wood for different DIYs. So from this part I cut this shape, this rectangle, and I adhered it to those paint sticks I used to mix the paint. I painted it black on both sides. It has written the name of the store, and this had a mark on this side, and this side is part of the wood. So I painted all sides in black for it to have a better finish, even though it's not going to be seen. So now what I'm going to do is to adhere on top of this sign this paper. This paper I printed it with my computer. This font that I love is called Hello. You can have, oh my god, you can find it in dafont.com. It doesn't come with these lines. I added them with a Sharpie. It starts here and ends here, but it's beautiful. So I also used this runner. I already applied in 2 or 3, let me see, 2 of the sides and in the center. So I'm going to apply the part that goes here and this side, and I'm going to adhere this sign here. Try to be careful. You know, I suffer from essential tremors, so my hands shake. It's not Parkinson's, but it's similar. My head also shakes. So I have to be very careful when I do this kind of stuff. And what I'm going to do now, I have this donut that I found in the dumpster also. So I started cutting it in half. I'm going to cut the part where it's the chain. Okay, doesn't want to come out. Ah, here we go. I started cutting it with this. I don't know the name of this. So it's almost finished. I'm going to do this way. And I'm going to add this here. And I have these letters. And I'm going to add, oops, it's flying. One N here. Like so. And the E, here. So it reads, please take one. Because I'm making a little box. If you have a party or friends that comes to have tea with you, which doesn't happen often now, but let's say it's going to happen again hopefully soon, you can offer them to take one when they leave or when they are there. And I'm going to show you what. So I'm going to add hot glue here, and I'm going to adhere this donut. It's really cute, to replace the O in one, like so. Now I'm going to add this to the box. I think that it's going to be better to add it from the inside or the outside. What do you think? Oh, I'm not sold. Here it's going to push the box. I don't know, I'm going to add it from the outside and we'll see. I am eyeballing the middle of the box. I think it's like here. Hopefully it will stay in place, otherwise I would have to add like E6000 or something like that. Let me see. Maybe I have to do this. Sorry, I'm covering most of the sign. stand it. Okay. Looks like it's going to work. Well, now there is just one more thing to do, and it is to add these mini donuts that I arrange in little cellophane bags that, you guessed it, I found in the dumpster. And then this will be finished. So, this way, I like that better. So, I think it looks really cute, and I hope you liked it too. Thank you so much to the hostesses for hosting this challenge, and please visit their channels. Please watch the videos in the playlist. If you can, please visit our dumpster diving channel also, and that will make me very happy. And give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hope to see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.